In this problem, we will be estimating the square root of 2. In order to do this, we will look at both whole number estimations and tenths place estimations. To find a whole number estimation, we first want to look at perfect squares nearby to 2. So we can look at 1 squared, which is 1, and 2 squared, which is 4. Because 2 lies between 1 and 4, we can rewrite this expression as the square root of 1 is less than the square root of 2, which is less than the square root of 4. Because 1 squared equals 1, we can then rewrite the square root of 1 as 1, and we can also rewrite the square root of 4 as 2, because 2 squared is 4. Now we can see that the square root of 2 is between 1 and 2. And now we can estimate a tenths place value to which the square root of 2 can be approximated. We first want to try 1.5 as it's between 1 and 2. So let's look at 1.5 squared, which we will do 1.5 times 1.5. 5 times 5 gives us 25. 1 times 5 is 5, plus 2 is 7. Add our placeholder 0. 1 times 5 is 5, and 1 times 1 is 1. Now we add this together to get 2.25. As you can see, 2.25 is larger than 2, so 1.5 is too large of an estimation. Now we can try 1.4 squared, which we will write as 1.4 times 1.4. When we do 4 times 4, we get 16. Carry the 1. We do 1 times 4, we get 4. Add the 1, we get a 5. Now we add our placeholder 0 and do 1 times 4, which is 4, and then 1 times 1, which is 1. Adding these together and placing our decimal point, we get 1.96. As you can see, 1.96 is very close to 2. Therefore, we can estimate the square root of 2 as approximately 1.4.